Taurus, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we will be looking at your energy starting from 15th till 21st of November. In this video we will be looking at your past, present and future energies. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. So let's see what is there for my Taurus 15th till 21st of November 2021, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. Okay. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Taurus 15th till 21st of November 2021, Taurus. At the back of the deck, we have the Seven of Pentacles. This is your overall energy at present, right now, what you're going through. So, with the Seven of Pentacles at the overall and as the overall energy, we can definitely say that you are in a position where you are waiting for some kind of fruits to come. Your wishes to come into fruition. You're working hard, you're waiting for something. Okay, this can be a promotion, this can be anything. You are waiting for an answer from someone, you're waiting for something to come into fruition, you are waiting for some kind of seeds which you have sowed really in, like, years and months they might have taken, and now you're waiting for the results to come out. We will see what exactly this is. In your past energies, we have the Chariot, Four of Swords and the King of Pentacles. There was a situation in which you really put a lot of effort into. Okay, you were taking charge of that situation, you were taking control of that situation, you were into something big. Okay, you took that decision making by yourself, you were mature at that time and you took it. But there was something, like, things might not have turned the way they actually had to. So it was like a defeat for you, a loss for you. In the present, we have the Emperor, Queen of Wands and Death energy. Yeah. So those things which started in the past, they have ended, I feel. Okay, whatever that situation is, it has been ended. And now you are like you are taking again, I'm seeing a strong person who is taking charge of the situation. You are being practical at this time, and there's a person around you, could be an Aries or a Leo, Cancer, Taurus, Scorpio energies I'm getting over here. There's also a person who is helping you in this situation. Okay, and we will clarify exactly what this person is, whether this person is positive or negative. Okay, we will see. In the coming future, we have Queen of Cups, Ace of Pentacles and Nine of Wands. There is a new opportunity coming towards you, but somehow you're not accepting that opportunity. Whatever, I feel that you're waiting for this opportunity, but somehow when it will come to you, you are not going to accept it. Might be because of something else, something better, which you might have already got, and you are going. I feel that you might get something else till that time, because you will get some other thing. You might be waiting for a job, or you might be waiting for something else, but before that you will get something else. Okay, it could be a love opportunity as well. So you are waiting for someone else's answers, and till that time, you were waiting for a person from such a long time, but you met somebody who is very dear to you. Okay, who loves you a lot. Might be a Cancer, Scorpio, Leo, Aries. Okay, but yeah, let's clarify now. Okay, so new energies coming up for my Taurus. Wow. Tell me more about the Seven of Pentacles, please. Tell me more about the Seven of Pentacles. We have 10 of Pentacles, 5 of Cups, and 4 of Cups. So definitely this is a big time for you, because you are waiting for a completion to happen. This thing which you are waiting for, this will happen. Definitely this thing will happen. But before that, there are so many rejections, so many no's, and so many regrets in that situation, so many sadness also in that situation, that you might not we do not value when it comes so late, when something comes so late to us, that we stop valuing that situation, that thing. So this is definitely that thing in your life which you are going through. Tell me more about this Four of Swords in the past energies, please, for my Taurus. Four of Swords. Why this Four of Swords is here? Two of Wands, Knight of Cups, and Three of Swords. Okay. Okay. I feel that this could be a love situation for some of you. It was like you said you proposed somebody, or somebody proposed you. Okay, so this can be vice versa, so take as it resonates. Okay, it could be you or your person's energy, but a person is trying to propose another person, okay, over here, but the other person said no. It's like, I cannot be with you, or they were in a relationship, you both were in a relationship, or you could just have proposed a new person, or a person whom you have liked a lot from past so many months or years, but this person said no, and it took a lot of time for you to heal. Okay, it was like you were healing in that process, you were healing in the past energies, you took that decision. You think somewhere, I feel that you think that you regret that asking to this particular person, you regret it, but this regret is, I don't see that this regret is much more. This is more like an energy where with this King of Pentacles energy, I really feel that it's like so much of stable energies, I can see over here. Yeah, like you become silent after that. I don't know, because I'm really getting a Taurus who has taken something inside his or her heart. This thing, like why this thing happened, can this thing go back again? I'm really sorry for the horns behind. Can this thing can go back? I would never want to do this thing again, please. Why me? And all these kind of things are coming in your head, I feel. Let's see. Yeah, you are. I'm really getting a Taurus who is not in a very good state, who was not in a very good state at a time, at a particular time. Okay, so tell me about the Emperor energy in the present. Who is this Emperor? Wow, Strength, King of Pentacles, and Temperance. So this is definitely your energy, Taurus. So you might be dealing with Sagittarius, Leo, or some other Taurus or Aries. But it's more like a situation where you have taken things. You have balanced the situation now. Like you took a deep breath, you took some gap, you took a break because of that situation. You tried to tell yourself, like, why I have done this, I shouldn't have done that, I shouldn't have done that, something. But you balanced your inner energies, you balanced yourself, you told yourself that okay, it's fine, wherever I was, now I'm fine. I'm working on myself. See how confident you have become, Taurus. You're enjoying a life of luxury. You are enjoying, or you are in a way where you want to enjoy. You are in that path of enjoying luxurious life. See how this person is sitting over there with cake in one hand, and with a cup and a glass of wine, with a dog over here. It's like he has everything. So you are working for this thing, or you already have all these things, But yes, this is definitely a very beautiful path which you have chosen now. Tell me about this Queen of Wands, this Leo energy. Who is this Leo, or who is this person? What exactly this is telling us about? King of Cups, the Star, and Seven of Pentacles. Is this the same old love, Taurus? Is this some same old thing, same old person in the past? Because I'm seeing the Star energy, Aquarius, with the King, with the Scorpio and Leo. But this is like, you might not be showing the love, but you might be missing this old person, because you gave a lot of energies, you have given a lot of energy to this person, a lot of investment, you invested those energies. It's like so beautiful. See how beautifully this tree has grown, and they are like, the grapes are here. So she's now picking out the grapes. So it's that, when you give a lot to something and then things don't go into fruition and you keep on waiting for them. So this is something. There's somebody from the past which still haunts you, or could be just, you must be just missing, or you just must be, thinking. It's just one thought somewhere. Not all the time, because I am seeing a very strong Taurus here who is working on himself or herself a lot here. Death energy in the present. Empress, Page of Swords, and the Five of Pentacles. Again, Taurus energy, Scorpio energy, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus, Aries, not Aries, Aquarius, Libra. Yeah. Okay, so I feel that things, you want the endings of the situation. Already you might have just ended. There's a transformation in your end. But because of that care which you have, the nurturing energy which you have, you still, either you are stalking this person or this person is stalking you. Somebody is definitely stalking over here. Somebody is definitely trying to find what you are doing, or you are finding the other person, what that person is doing. But there's still, if this person talks to you, or you can be communicating with this person, but this is more like, you have left me out in the cold, and now there's no talk. So I'm end. So there's end. Okay, so there could be a situation where this person is trying to connect with you, this person is trying to talk to you in online, they might be messaging you, but it's like, no, I am done with you, because you have given me a lot of hurt. When I needed you, you left me out in the cold, and now I'm done with you. So this could be that. Okay, so let's see this Queen of Cups energy. Why the Queen of Cups is here? Who this Queen of Cups is? I see that this is something new. I knew it. See, Ace of Pentacles again. I told you that this is somebody new who is coming your way, Taurus. I don't see any old person in your life anymore, and this is like a proper, this could be a Sagittarius with whom you will be dealing, or a Cancer, but it's like that this is a rush, all of a sudden there's a strong attraction and rush towards this person, like a lot of passion towards this person you are generating, but there's a feeling of whether to go or not to go towards this person, because you might start to feel that this thing might again, you might again just end up with the same situation you ended up in the past. So there's a fear, there is a feeling of betrayal, like, the way I was betrayed, I cannot just go back. I cannot see the same thing again happening to me. So yeah, that's why I see that you are blocking this new person or this new thing because of the past things. So there is a healing which has been done in the past, but it still needs to be done more. So you need to give more time to yourself in this thing. Okay, I just want to I want to see a overall energy mix with the Eight of Pentacles and the Nine of Wands, as I am strongly getting something. Yeah, Two of Pentacles, Page of Wands, and Lovers. Yeah, this is a beautiful love connection which is coming towards you, but you might just be passionate about it a little. You might just be like, I will talk to you, you are talking to this person, there's a feeling of talking to this person, but you will be in a very dicey situation, like what to do, whether you should talk to this person or not, keep continuing to talk to this person or not. This is that thing. But this is something which is coming towards you, and this is like a beautiful situation, because things are happening good for you, Taurus. You have to believe in the universe, I would say that. Okay, so I want to see some cards for you. For my Taurus, I'll take out 3 cards. You can ask any question, okay, in this thing. Okay, so please give me 3 angelic cards for my Taurus. 1, I'll take this, and I'll take this. So the one is within the next few months. The other card is yes, within the next few months, and third is helpful people. Okay, so you must be communicating, you must be interacting with some helpful people who will help you, and this can be happening within the next few months. So this is something good which is coming towards you, Taurus. Okay, so that is all from my side. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.